So today we're going to be installing some BC Racing coilovers in this EVO 10. These are the old struts, these are the new ones.
Take wheels off.
We're going to take off the brake line and the bottom two strut bolts. We're going to break the bolts and the top hat loose.
Removing strut. Reinstall front strut.
So it's good to have a buddy with this so they can lift it up through the top and you can help them line it up. Put the nuts on. There you go. So you're gonna line up the hub to the bottom of the strut, put in the sector bolt, bottom bolt, reconnect the brake line, bracket, and you're good to go. All right. Torque spec for the top hat nuts, 30. Reinstalling the brake line bracket. So the rears are a little different. There's just one long bolt, and we're gonna break it loose. Fucking slut, you like that? Huh? Yeah. So this one bolt connects to the rear sway bar, the strut, and the hub. So you're just gonna remove this one. Top hat's located in the trunk. You remove the two top nuts. Coilover comes out. This is the EVO 10 dampening extension. He's gonna feed it right up through this hole. Okay, push it up. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. Okay.
Alright, so we're going to tighten these top hat nuts to a torque spec of 33 foot-pounds. Move it. Fucking idiot.
No counting them.
There we go. Alright, so we're torquing this to 52 foot-pounds. Right there.
Torque wheels to 81 foot-pounds.
So these blue brackets that we added in and bolted to the top hats, it's gonna go to a Cusco rear strut bar. We're about to put in right now. Installed the Cusco rear strut bar.
Coilovers are installed. In about a day, they should settle about a 1/4 inch. Might have to readjust the ride height.